is my volcano experiment by Millie Baker. As you can see, we already tried it, but it went wrong, so we're going to do it again. So, first add in some baking powder. How much?
Just dip it in, out the thing.
Whoa.
Do you want me to do it, Mel?
Yes, please.
Right. Can you hold the camera?
Oh, yeah.
Can you hold it?
No, isn't this a bit messy?
Yeah. Freddie!
Shut! Oh, Lewis.
Oh. Is that done? Bit messy. Yeah, bit.
Yeah.
Good that we're in old clothes.
Yeah. I am. And now we're gonna add some liquid, eh? Oh.
Stop.
Now we're gonna add some vinegar and see what happens.
Stop. Is that gonna rise?
No, let's put some more of it. This
Just leave it, it's rising. Try a bit more of this. Almost there.
Oh, Lewis. It's rising, it's rising! Oh, yes! And as you see, that's our volcano. It's really messy.
Quite a bit of explosion. Oh, look, it's all going off the bank.
Oh, Millie.
It's just silly. It's all green.
Ew.
Looks like Coke.
Oh, touch it. Oh.